PEZ girl for 73. I've got something I know you want. It's the new 10-cent piece from PEZ, and I've got a super deal you can't refuse. Call me collect. 212-476-2700, extension 000.
What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here with a little advertisement. Check out this box. So here on the back you would have a glue type substance, and you could affix this to a wall. And here it tells you about the new 10-cent piece. And here you see this PEZ girl. Let's see what she has to say.
PEZ girl for 73. I've got something I know you want. It's the new 10-cent piece from PEZ, and I've got a super deal you can't refuse. Call me collect. 212-476-2700, extension 000.
That is amazing. All right, I am going to have to take some extreme care, so please stand by. Here you see the bottom, it's printed in Austria. Both sides actually have the same graphics. There's the sticker where it would be applied to a wall. This thing is so cool. Alright, here we go. This is the inside. There is a very tiny record player inside of here. Hold on, I'm going to set the camera down as I pull it out. Sorry, bear with me. I'm being as gentle as I possibly can. And that is what the inside looks like, a little record player. With the number 373 on the bottom. And there's the inside of the box. It's very cool. Very cool item. So until next time...
PEZ girl for 73. I've got something I know you want. It's the new 10-cent piece from PEZ, and I've got a super deal you can't refuse. Call me collect. 212-476-2700, extension 000.